So, keep a goal of becoming a best version of yourself. Strive to reach there, but be content at what you have and where you are. And be proud that you've set a goal and you are walking and taking that journey towards that goal. Hi, so we have been talking about understanding obesity and we have seen a lot of physical factors. But now we need to shift and also understand that mental factors also do affect into obesity management, right? So starting with the first thing that everybody knows about is negative body image. So body perception that you have for yourself impacts into how you feel about your body and how your body responds to those feelings, right? So yes, we know that obesity causes a lot of health issues. Obesity is a disease which needs to be cured, it needs to be taken care of. But that does not mean that you have a negative body perception about yourself. We have this boxed, fixed idea about size, shape, color, age, which is good and beautiful. That's not the case. So a lot of advertising, media, societal pressure, everybody has taught us that a certain shape, a certain size, a certain weight, a certain color, all that is only good. Everything outside those margins is considered not so nice. So let me tell you, when you feel that about your own body, when you feel not so nice about your own body shape, own body size, own body weight, own color and all of that, that causes a lot of negative mental impact. And when you're mentally stressed is when your body starts secreting stress hormones. And stress hormones do help into accumulating fat. Stress hormones do impact into obesity management. So do you really want to do that? I don't think so. So you have to strive to be best version of yourself. Yes, you need to every day work on treating obesity, reducing obesity, because that is impacting your internal organs negatively, because it is not letting you be healthy, because obesity is not letting you perform at your optimum level. It is not helping you in becoming best version of yourself. But any reason other than these that I just stated is not okay to treat obesity for. Not feeling well, people saying you need to reduce weight, people saying that you look very fat, people saying that you're not of the ideal size are not the reasons that you should start working on your obesity. Trust me on that. Because all that is going to make your journey more and more difficult. It's going to negatively impact your internal organs also. So please don't do that. And when you keep yourself under so much of stress, it is going to cause a lot of hormonal irregularities, which is going to cause a lot of stress, which is going to cause depression, which is going to cause a lot of internal turmoil. And all of that is going to impact negatively. It's going to take you away from your goal and not help you towards your goal. So why make your own journey difficult, right? Rather, on the other hand, when you're happy about yourself, you appreciate yourself, you tend to secrete a lot of happy hormones. And these happy hormones support obesity management. These happy hormones help you improve your metabolism. These happy hormones are going to help you feel more energetic to work towards your goal. So, keep a goal of becoming a best version of yourself. Strive to reach there, but be content at what you have and where you are. And be proud that you've set a goal and you are walking and taking that journey towards that goal. I'll see you next week with few more tips and make your understanding obesity better. Take care. Bye.